Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today we're going to be looking at grow lights and how you can set up a cool little coffee table like this. And it's dead simple. Right, okay, so it's built out of scrap pieces of plywood, and just to take it down, as you can see, the lights, I've got a full set of full spectrum LED lights. I'll slide this out. You can see where we're going with this. So I made two different heights wooden ply lengths, and these are just offcuts basically. A couple of screws in each end, two on the base. You can do this with battens, and then it's just a case of simply attaching the lights on. So this is one of the grow lights. Very simple. Just attaches with a wire to a hook on the top, and it's that easy. So very simple to make, can fit over any table, any surface, and it just does a job. And these lights are literally dirt cheap, and it'll surprise you how much it costs to run. So let's look at that now. Okay, so I've got them set up here, and we've got a multimeter on the wall, so this will help understand what sort of wattage these take up. So power's on, reading 0 at the moment. So let's put it on to full power. As you can see, very bright, and it's reading 12.1 watts. So that's with all four lights working at full spectrum. So let's turn it down a notch. So if we go down to the first setting, takes it to 11.4. So two notches down, it's still very bright. That's running four lights at 9.6 watt. And if we want to go very low, it's still light enough. That is running the four lights at 2.6 watt. So it's basically nothing. That's absolutely fantastic for what it is. So you can run these. You can get them on a timer as well. So 3, 6, and 12 hours. I'll put a link in the description of where I got these from and something similar, so you can take a look for yourself. But a coffee table like this, oh, it's just a winner. So here we go, going through the spectrum, full brightness. And for maximum, it will peak at around 12. So there you go. Okay, so here's a bit of an experiment. Here are last year's lights, and I'll still use them this time around. These are the pink lights that you can buy. So let's do a quick experiment now while we're here. So let's get these plugged in. Exactly the same power socket. Everything's the same. So full power, and two pink lights this time. Right, these run at 8.2 watts. And these are not full spectrum, they're just pink and blues. They worked absolutely fine last year. 8.2 watts. And again, we can take these down to 3 notches down. It runs at 5 watts, 5.5 watts. And a very, very low one runs at 2.2. So pretty much the same anywhere. So these pink ones, pink and blue, anywhere from 8 watts to 2 watts. So absolutely fantastic. These did the job last year. We've gone a bit bigger this year. We're going to grow more stuff just for you guys. And we're going full spectrum. But I will be popping these on as well. So here we go. Let's set up the grow light coffee table. And I want to keep it nice so I can put a cup of coffee on before I go too mad with sewing everything. Make sure we have our lights attached. So pop that one through there. And bit fiddly. Okay, so now all the lights are on. Let's pop. I've gone 2 layers here, is why it's so fiddly. Bottom one first. Slider in. Top one goes on top. Make sure the leads aren't tangled. And there we have it. Tidy this up a bit. There you go. So this is your grow lights. Your grow light coffee table as it was, all ready for this season's sowing. So coming up very shortly, we're going to be having a video on what I'm sowing in January. It's going to be very interesting, and it will be using grow lights because we want to extend the season as long as humanly possible for certain vegetables. So keep your eye out for that. I'll start filming hopefully tomorrow. And if you like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Loads more coming.